Hello friends, today I am going to discuss TensorFlow, TensorFlow programming language. So first we start here. What is the TensorFlow? So, so I think if you are doing a programming language, so you are fully aware. So TensorFlow is like a Google's product. So look here the TensorFlow. So TensorFlow is an end-to-end open source platform for machine learning, and it has a comparative, flexible ecosystems of tools, library and community. So, so you can learn from the tutorials from this site, install GPU, keep dockers and learn so many things. So you can go this site, and this one is the logo, or this one is the TensorFlow, and GitHub also support TensorFlow. So this is the TensorFlow website. But yeah, look here. So you can start here TensorFlow, and your project has been means you can attach with the GitHub. So don't worry. So you can understand just the TensorFlow is an end-to-end open source platform for machine learning. It has comprehensive, flexible ecosystems of tools, library and community resources that lets researchers push the state of the art in machine learning, and developers easily build and deploy machine learning powered applications. You can easy model buildings, robust machine learning productions anywhere, powerful experimentations for research, and now the solutions to column common machine learning programs here. So beginners, you can start your first neural network program, intermediate recommender systems, and exports the generative adversarial networks, also the maps, geologicals, so many things has been. So developers has done so many numbers of the project has been done, and the company using the TensorFlow: Airbnb, Coca-Cola, DeepMinds, GE Healthcare, Google, Intel. These are the Twitter search also. So these are the basic about the TensorFlow. So you can learn so many things from here. But I have done so many codings. So how do I code it? So first I go to like a Colab, Google Colab. Just previous video I have already discussed what is the Google Colab. If you don't know about this, you can learn from there. So I need to import the sum, import the TensorFlow as a TF, and another the TensorFlow's import Keras, import NumPy as a NP, import matplotlib.pyplot as a PLT, and import pandas. These are the basic libraries. So let's start. Now I am taking a variables. So a will equal to 2 and b equal to 3, and I want to add these two variables. So c will equal to tf as a TensorFlow, add a, b, name, add, and print c. So look what happened. So it is added, right? So if you write here 5, so look here, it is also working. So you can represent here the shape and data types, integer 32 is also. So TensorFlow is a very fast programming language. Now similarly I am taking like a TensorFlow constant terms like rows and column, just 2 comma zeros and 3 comma 0. Another is the 1 comma zeros, 4 comma, because these are the flow, and D also the second. Now I want to the C and D. Okay, so look here what happens. Just I am getting a result from 2, 7 and 1 and 6. There are 2 into 2 matrices. Similarly, number of the data points has been given the 100. Now generate the random x values in the range from -6 to +6. So we can use here x as a variable, np.random uniform. Low you will start from -6, high you can go to 6, and size number of the data points and 1. So let x colon 6 comma colon and round 2. So we can create array. So we can really create an array. So look, we try again. Just if 5.91, so because 4.94, because randomly we can select, so you can click so many times, you will get a different value. Now define the data as a constant. So TensorFlow constant 1, 0 and 1, 2, another y as a variables, and data TF variables, beta TF variable, and residuals like y will equal to beta plus ax, and some error terms. So we can get easily error terms directly. So look here. So there is no need to get so many regressions OLS process, and this one is very fast. So we can easily execute. So this has been the successful executions. Defined the two scalars as a constant. So now I am taking as a constant, means first variable is the S1, T1 constant, 5 TensorFlow 32, and similarly the S2 is also the constant. Add and multiply using the TensorFlow. So first sum means I am going to the add, another is the product. So TF dot multiply these two and print both terms. So first if, so you can work both of them, like here 20 added here, and now the multiply here, you can get the both of them very fast. Now they generate the 6 tensor form normal distributions. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first variable as a capital A, another variable is the capital B. Now I am going to the multiply A and B, and now we can get here performance of this. So it look like these are the way we can easily multiply these terms. Similarly, the set random sets generated the reproducible results. So TensorFlow dot random dot set underscore seeds 1, and now I normally distributions draw to a general TensorFlow 200. Here is also B also the 200. So see TensorFlow tensor dot a b axis 1, print numpy. So look here, so directly we can get an answer from this -15. So similarly normal distributions to has been generated the two different variables, like here look as a 2D. So this one also has been created here 200 on 10. Noise, if you want to get a noise from rows and columns, so you can easily get here the noise, no problem, right? This is way you can get here. So these are the basic things, numbers. Now the checking the from the equations, z will equal to just like a two variable equations, so we can easily get a two variable equations value also. And the set of the data, the number of the data points 1000, and generate a random x values in the range -5 to +5. Just you can do, this is the way to create this one. Now the generate the random values. So I think this has been clear. We can easily print x, y, z sample value in the manually also. So x as this, y as is round value. So round value we can easily generate. Now the input the np dot column stack x comma y and print a few value of input array for demonstrations purpose, like this. So import a TensorFlow and TensorFlow datasets as a TFDS. Import numpy I have done, or data I am going to collect here the iris data, and split train and data we can do this process. So these are the basic way, and just we can understand how easily we can do the TensorFlow. I will try to discuss more in the next class about the TensorFlow, and then we will do the some machine learning project and also artificial intelligence. Thank you. I hope you will get better today. Thank you.